Hello YouTube, welcome back to my video tutorial on how to design Vtol RC drone. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to design the Vtol section. To do that I'm going to start by creating a new component for the Vtol section. Now I'm going to use the same technique that we used to draw the wing. So I'm going to draw a line to take the measurement of the Vtol code. Press L on the keyboard, choose the construction plane from top view. Now I'm going to draw a line from this point to this point. 280 millimeter looks good. Press enter, click finish. Now I'm going to check the line place from the views. As you can see, it's not in place, so we have to move it up. So press M on the keyboard. Now move it up to this place. Click OK. Now I'm going to offset construction plane at angle, choose the line 90 degree, press enter. Now I'm going to import the same profile that we used to design the wing. We go to utility, add-ins, airfoil, that's to spline. So for the construction plane I'm going to use this construction plane. For the chord I'm going to click those three dots, choose measure and click on the line that we just draw. As you can see, the chord, it gives us 280 millimeter. Click OK. Now we choose the wing coordination, click open. We have imported the wing coordination successfully to our canvas. Now if you notice that this profile is not closed, to close it I'm going to right click on it and click edit sketch. Now I'm going to choose a fit point spline. Click finish. All right. Click finish the sketch. Now we have to move that drawing to the back of the drone. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to edit the sketch again to make sure that I'm working on this sketch only, not the other part of the drone. Make sure that this fit point spline is selected as well. Now press M on the keyboard. I'm going to use point to point, choose this point, and the target point has to be the end dot of the line that we draw, just like that. Click OK. Now we have our profile in place. Press M again and select them all. Choose rotate. From the front view I'm going to rotate the profile to 40 degree. So click OK now. All right. I'm going to draw the guideline and rail to be used on in the sweep command. So to do that I'm going to use 3D sketch. Make sure that it's checked and choose line. Choose this dot on the profile. I'm going to use this construction plane. Choose front, and here looks good. Click OK. And we're going to draw the same line from the back side as well. So zoom in to make sure that you don't choose the wrong dot. All right, now we are looking at our blueprint from the back side. So I'm going to click here and finish the sketch. Press escape. Now we check from the top view. As you can see, the lines are not following the blueprint, so we drag drop those dots. It looks good. Click finish the sketch, and from the solid tab we go to create sweep command. From the type, I'm going to use path plus guide rail. The profile is going to be the coordination that we imported. For the path, I'm going to choose this line. For the guide rail, I'm going to choose this line. The path is not smooth. So I'm going to change it. So the path has to be this line. The guide rail, this line. Click OK. Now we have our Vtol. We could draw it easily. All right. Now it's time to draw the elevons. To do that, I'm going to offset the construction plane. So I'm going to choose tangent plane on this face. The reference, I'm going to choose this dot. Click OK. Now press L on the keyboard and choose the construction plane. Make sure that the 3D sketch is unchecked. Now I'm going to draw a line from the top view. From here to here, and just like that. Click finish, and I'm going to offset that line -4mm. Press enter. Now I'm going to click finish the sketch. All right. So what we do, we choose split body command. The target body is the Vtol part. The splitting tool is those lines that we just drew. All right. Click OK. Repeat the same thing. Now we use the elevons. The targeting, the splitting tool is going to be the sketch that we just drew. All right. Click OK. Now we have 3 body. I'm going to remove this part that we don't need it. Right click and remove. All right. For the elevons, we can use a fillet. Press F and we can give it about 5mm and press plus. This line about 8mm, so that would make the rotation easy. Click OK. Now we have designed the Vtol section very easily. So if we go back to the main component, if we see all the parts together, let's hide the blueprint. Now we have our Vtol and the wings, but if you notice here that the wing is not touching the fuselage, and it's the same for the Vtol as well. What we do in this case, we are going to use press pull. Make sure that the face is selected and drag it until it touches the fuselage. Click OK. Now I'm going to repeat the same thing for the Vtol. Select the fuselage, press V to hide it. Choose press pull. I don't know why this happens. So in this case, cancel this. I think we haven't selected the whole face, so let's hide this. We have a problem here, I think, with this profile that we imported. Yes. Let's go back to the sketch, NACA profile. Yeah, that's the problem. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to the guide rail. So that's the sketch. Double click to edit the sketch. Sorry, not this one. This one. No. It's this sketch. Yeah, as you can see that this line is a problem. Press T to trim it. Now I'm going to tangent this dot to this dot. So it's better to remove this line, I think. Well, let's see if there's any constraint. Sorry for that. Let's just tangent. Coincident. Yes. Click finish the sketch again. Sweeping. Yes, now everything looks great. Press pull, choose this line, choose the profile again. Yes, now it works. So let's unhide the fuselage. So I'm going to choose, sorry, just hide the fuselage because I want to join to the Vtol section. Here, click OK and hide. Now we have the wing and the Vtol touching to the fuselage. So as you can see, it's longer than what we need. So we have to cut those parts. To do that, we're going to choose the split body. The body to split is the Vtol section. The splitting tool is going to be the fuselage. Click OK. Now we don't need this one. Yes, we remove it. All right, we're going to do the same thing for the wing. The fuselage is the body tool that we use. Hide the fuselage, and we don't need this part. All right, just remove them because it becomes a headache later. All right. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to mirror the Vtol section and the wing as well. So let's mirror everything to the right, from the right to the left side. Mirror this part, and the winglet. And the same thing. All right. The mirroring plane is going to be the center plane. Click OK. Now we could easily design the Vtol RC drone. Hide the origin. Hide all the sketches. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. In the next tutorial, I'm going to design the landing gear, which is attached to the wing and to the tail as well from here. Stay tuned with me, and please leave a comment if you have any question. Thank you so much.